Hey everybody, Storm Chaser Eli Roberts. I am live here in Williamsport covering the smoke, and you can see behind me downtown Williamsport is completely shrouded in thick, dangerous smoke. That's why I have my mask on. It's doing its best, but I'll tell you what, this is putrid, pungent tasting smoke. It's in my eyes, it's in my mouth. You can really taste it. Unlike a few years ago when it was really bad, this is almost worse as far as the way it tastes and the way it makes you feel. But I'm out here with this mask on because honestly, it's better than just trying to breathe this stuff in. You can see downtown Williamsport again, just completely shrouded. I'm on the Market Street Bridge. Got a few miles an hour breeze going here, which feels good in 91-degree temperatures. But if you don't have to be outside, probably a good idea not to. This is not the day to go for walks. This is not the day to take your pets and everything for long walks. Maybe quick outside to go to the bathroom, and that's about it. But again, we're here in Williamsport in Lycoming County, and you can see the sky is absolutely blanketed with Canadian wildfire smoke.